Let's see the question. What is given here? When phenol reacts with chloroform in presence of sodium hydroxide, it introduces one of the functional group into the major product that is going to form. Here, our job is to find out the functional group that is introduced into the major product that is formed. Okay, this question was given in the year 2015, 22 and 25, as well as in the JEE 21 and 24, and these type of questions were given in the year 2020 and 24. Let's do the question. What is given in the question? When phenol reacts with chloroform, in presence of dilute sodium hydroxide, it is going to form a major product. Okay, and a functional group is going to introduce into this major product. Here our job is to find out the functional group which is introduced into the major product. Okay, as we all know, this is one of the named reaction, which is Reimer-Tiemann reaction, where what happens in the Reimer-Tiemann reaction? It is the electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. What happens here? There will be organic transformation where it introduces one of the functional group, that is aldehyde group, into the phenol using chloroform and the dilute sodium hydroxide. Let's do the process or the mechanism that is going to take place in this reaction step by step. What is the first step? There will be formation of dichlorocarbon. What happens here? When this chloroform reacts with hydroxide ion, the dichlorocarbon formation takes place. And what is the second step? There will be electrophilic attack. What happens in this step? The phenol in the compound, when it is deprotonated by sodium hydroxide, it leads to the formation of phenoxide ion. Okay, and this phenoxide ion, when this is attacked by the dichlorocarbon, it leads to the formation of one of the intermediate compound. What is that intermediate complex that is formed? That is ortho dichlorocarbon phenoxide ion. So on hydrolysis, what happens after that? On hydrolysis of these intermediate complex that was formed in the aqueous medium, hydrolysis of these intermediate complex in the aqueous medium, what happens? Okay, there will be formation of the major product. What is that? That is 2-hydroxy. What is the major product that is formed? 2-hydroxy benzaldehyde. So Here our job is to find out the functional group that was introduced into the major product. So what is the functional group that was introduced? Aldehyde. So let's see the correct option. Here correct option is phenol.